Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by matching raid requirements and forming the team. Check levels and power so you don't get kicked mid-fight. Prioritize someone to tank and one to heal. Once done, equip a fruit or weapon that covers range and crowd control. Bring healing consumables. Make sure to assign positions, frontline, support, and crowd clear before you enter. This prevents role confusion during the initial waves and gets your raid moving immediately into the objective without wasted time. You now coordinate your attacks with clear focus on priority targets and crowd control. Begin by calling out who takes the healer or high-damage enemy. This reduces incoming damage quickly. Use area abilities during spawn waves and hold your strongest single-target burst for the boss. Timing your ultimates together amplifies damage. Make sure to communicate cooldowns and swap positions if someone is low on health. Once repositioned, maintain spacing so you avoid overlapping damage. And you finish the raid by concentrating all damage on the boss while avoiding its patterned attacks. Call for healing bursts and use escape moves when targeted. After the boss falls, sweep the area for loot and distribute according to your agreed system to keep the team stable. If things go wrong and you wipe, troubleshoot immediately. Change roles, swap to clearer crowd control or survivability fruits, and tweak positioning to reduce overlap. Once revised, restart the raid with the new plan and clear the remaining threats.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.